Okay, I should be streaming now. Hello, if you can hear me. Alright, just testing the stream. Hello, welcome to the stream. I was trying to get severe weather coverage. Let me close that. Alright, so I'm trying to share my phone here. I don't know if this is working. I hope it is. Let me check YouTube once again. Okay, so it should be working. Let me make sure. Stream. Severe weather coverage. Let me close that. Alright, so I'm trying to share my phone here. I don't know if this is working. Okay, it works, but it's really laggy. Let me try it here. Alright, so this should be working here. This will be really laggy, but sorry I can't get it to work. But this is going to be severe weather coverage. So we do have some tornado warnings in effect. Let's start off with the first one. Let me make sure I'm actually streaming here. I don't know. Okay, I am streaming, but it says not enough video maintain smooth streaming. So, buffering. Okay, that's a problem, but let me just read the tornado warning. I'll read it and just here it is. It's on the screen. I'm going to go check and make sure this is working. I'll be right back. Okay, sorry about that. I'm back. So it's actually working really well. Oh, my phone turned off. Sorry about that. Okay, so here's the tornado warning. It is in effect until 5:15 p.m. Central Standard Time. It is for northwestern Dakota County, east central Minnesota, Rice County, in central Minnesota. Central Rice County, central Minnesota. A severe thunderstorm capable of producing a tornado was located over Warsaw, or 8 miles west of Faribault. I think that's how you pronounce it, moving northeast at 55 miles per hour. So yes, we are looking at a tornado warning in effect here. Here is the live radar. Here's the 3D version of it. So again, this is a tornado warning. Let me actually slow this down. I'm going to back up to about 4:44 p.m. You can start to see that hook starting to form kind of like right there. I can draw, but I'm not going to right now. But okay, we just got update radar. Let me turn this back to 2D. As you can see, this is a pretty big tornado warning here, but as you can see, definitely seeing tornado conditions here. We could be seeing, let me zoom out, show you the wide view. We could be seeing more tornado warnings. We have 2 tornado warnings and another one right here, and as it goes into effect until 5 p.m. for, let me check the counties here. For Scott and northern Rice counties. Let me check and see if we've got any comments on the stream yet. We have 1 person watching right now, so I'm not sure if it's lagging or not, but I hope it's not. Alright, let me go ahead and put it in loop mode. Yeah, this is going to be really laggy. So I may just have to stop the loop so it's not laggy. Here's the live radar here. It says 4:58. There we go. Alright, so again, 2 tornado warnings. Warsaw, Cannon City, Shieldsville all need to be taking shelter now. There's a tornado warning. And we could be seeing more tornado warnings. So there is a tornado watch in effect. I kind of want to pull it up, but I can't. Again, tornado watch in effect for much of Minnesota and Illinois area. But again, a tornado warning is in effect for that area. We could be seeing more tornado warnings popping up throughout the night. But again, tornado warnings for these areas. Northfield, you guys may be hit soon. And again, Warsaw, I think you guys just passed. Let me check. I think you guys just went past it. Yeah, Morrison, you guys barely got hit. But I can't, I'm struggling to find the hook echo with this, because it looks like there's multiple. with this, and it's kind of combining to one. But yeah, this updates like every minute, so. There you can see Minneapolis behind it. Again, here's the tornado warning right here. So again, let me circle the areas. Northfield, it's kind of like, let me zoom in here. So, okay. So again, the tornado warning. So Shieldsville, I think you guys are in it. Yeah, it looks like you guys are in a tornado. Yeah, you guys are in the tornado warning. Like, look how big this tornado warning is. So again, we have lots of areas affected here by this tornado warning. Again, we're be seeing this throughout the night. We have a tornado watch until 8 p.m. Central Standard Time. Again, Shieldsville under the tornado warning. We have Warsaw, Kansas City. Again, but right now, I think Shieldsville is in the main part of it. Let me actually play the loop now. Let me back it up here and look at this. Okay. So, yeah. I'm kind of thinking this is the hook, but that's not the hook. So, again, this is a pretty big tornado warning. Let me back this up and look what it was at first. Yeah, definitely a strong storm here. We're seeing these pop up like thunderstorms all over the place around the Minneapolis area. Just pop up storms everywhere. And then we see this one severe storm right here near the Northfield and Faribault area. I hope you guys can see this well. It is now 5:01 p.m. Central Standard Time. That is 2 minutes behind on that. I want to move that right there. But again, tornado warning in effect right now for those areas. Shieldsville, you guys need to be taking shelter. So if you live anywhere in this area, see if you live in any of these areas, that's a lot of places. So if you live in Dakota County, if you live in Rice County, if you live in near Warsaw or Faribault, you guys need to be taking shelter now. There's a tornado warning for your area. We got a radar update now. Now we got a radar update. I'm actually going to make this 2D here. So Castle Rock, you guys are like on the edge of the tornado warning, but you guys could be getting hit soon. It looks like this is really, really laggy. I'm just going to like keep it frozen on the screen so it's not so laggy. Yeah, that's really delayed. So I might just have to keep this frozen. Like I pulled down on my phone and like that's not even barely showing up. But again, a tornado warning is in effect. That one other tornado warning has expired, so now there's only one tornado warning in effect for this area. For Faribault and Northfield are the biggest cities in effect right now. Shieldsville just right on the edge, but again, very strong. We could, yeah, I now see the hook echo. Let me circle it. I now see that little, it looks like almost two hook. I can't tell which one it is, but it's somewhere around this area. This is kind of like really, not super organized, like it's organized, but the hook echo is not very organized. So again, usually when I say it's not organized, it means it's not very strong. It is strong. So again, it's organized, but the hook echo is kind of like just straight. It's just big. It's because it's really big. It's hard to find out where it is. But it could be this one or it could be this one. Again, it looks like it might be this one. That looks like a hook. So there might be two, but this one looks pretty strong here. So again, look like we have confirmed debris here. All right, we have confirmed debris. Yeah, it's already hitting Faribault around 4:55 p.m. That was like almost 10 minutes ago. Dundas. Let me see if we have actually any YouTube comments. I haven't checked that. Do we have any? Hi. Cynical, is it lagging? Let me check here. I've confirmed debris. Okay, that actually looks pretty good. So again, tornado warning in effect here. So Morristown, Warsaw, Shieldsville, Cannon City, Fairbelt, Northfield, you guys can be taking shelter now. I have to keep going back and forth with the comments. I don't know if he left. But again, yeah, radar update now. It's okay. Yeah, this is definitely where the hook echo is right here. Right there. As you can see, there is confirmed debris. We know that from now. We have confirmed debris from this tornado warning right now in Minnesota. We have confirmed debris. Let me check and see if we have any comments again. Nope, no comments. So this doesn't seem to be moving right now. But again, tornado warning in effect for this area. And let me zoom this out and see, because look at all these pop-up showers and thunderstorms here. So again, throughout the whole night near the Minneapolis area, we need to be watching out for any other tornado warnings in effect that could be popping up. Because again, we have a tornado watch in effect, especially Rochester. We also have a tornado watch for that area. I don't think Minneapolis is included in the tornado watch, but I know for a fact Rochester is. I'm not sure if it updated, but I know it is. Let me go back to that tornado warning. So yeah, we're just seeing so much tornado activity here. Let me see here. I don't think Minneapolis is included in the tornado watch, but I know I'm just watching it here so I can see it. Okay, that's working pretty well here, so that's good. But again, if you're just joining us, how many people? 1 person, 0 persons. Okay, that's definitely doesn't work. There's many how many people are watching. The YouTube has this thing where it has this viewer count. One of them's right, one of them's not right. So I can't really trust that. Alright, so Morristown, you guys, I think they should not, the tornado warning shouldn't be extended this far out now because it has now passed Morristown. As you can see here, it's past Warsaw. It's moved a lot since we've been talking about this. Northfield, if you live in Northfield, you need to be taking tornado precautions right now. If you live in Castle Rock, you need to be taking precautions. If you live even in Stanton, and that this is all in Minnesota, you guys need to be taking tornado precautions. Okay, Northfield, at this moment, you guys are maybe a tornado is in your area. Or it's about to be. Northfield, you guys are about to be hit by this really big tornado. I don't know if it's a big tornado. It's a tornado warning. Okay, this is a pretty big size tornado warning. I'm not sure if the whole thing is, but this is a very dangerous situation going on right now. This is worse than I thought. This is not just any tornado warning. This is a very strong tornado. Alright, we're looking at lots of rotation. Confirmed debris. We have 2 areas of either really strong rain or it could be debris here. Alright, we have lots of debris going on. So again, debris with this confirmed tornado. Let me even check if they are updated. Alright, tornado and quarter size hail. Radar indicated rotation. Yes. Flying debris. Okay, I don't think it's confirmed yet. But it is a confirmed tornado, radar indicated. Take cover now. I may check the Weather Channel or something to see what they're saying about it, because I'm just looking at a radar here. I don't have I may actually check something here. Okay, that's cool, but it's not gonna really help. That's for storms intensity. It's not really tornadoes. But stay with us here. We're going to track this. Let me get maybe the Weather Channel going, see what they're saying, because this is bigger than I thought, and this could be a very dangerous situation going on right now. Let's see if we have any comments. This is a pretty big and dangerous tornado we're looking at here. Just a second here. I'm not going to, show you the Weather Channel because it's copyright, but I just want to see what they're saying, because this is a pretty big. So Northfield, get in your shelter right now. If you live in Northfield, Minnesota, Castle Rock, Minnesota, get in your shelter right now, because there's a tornado going for you, or could be a tornado. Okay, this is a pretty big size tornado. Got a radar update. Alright, good thing. Okay, good thing. This radar update is showing that it's weakening its rotation. Alright, they're kind of going away, but that is still means it's strong. Okay, we're looking at, this looks like the debris ball. The debris is weakening. The debris is weakening. So less debris. That means the tornado is getting weaker. But it still is a tornado warning. It looked like they trend, yeah, okay, that's what I thought. The tornado warning is shorter. But if you live in Northfield, you guys are going to be hit right now. Okay, this is a very dangerous situation. Alright. It started out over here. It kind of intensed with the debris balls. Now it's getting a little bit less debris in the air. So that means a tornado is probably lifting off the ground, if it is on the ground. I'm not confirmed about that yet. But I'm pretty sure this is a touch to ground tornado. I'm going to turn on the Weather Channel, see what they're saying. See if you have any live cameras around here. So that's good, but still need to watch out. We have this other area here that looks like it could be forming a little hook echo. That should be severe thunderstorm warned if it's anything. That should be severe thunderstorm warned right there if it's anything. But looks like we do have a debris, yeah, that should be severe thunderstorm warned. That's pretty new. Let me see how long it's even been around. Oops. Yeah, that's pretty new. So that's probably going to get severe thunderstorm warned, if not, maybe even tornado warned. We're starting to see tornado activity popping up everywhere now. Yeah, this is not a good situation here. Let me turn on the Weather Channel real quick. But yeah, Northfield, you guys need to be in your shelters right now. Okay, they're just talking about the winter weather. Okay, so let's see if we got any updates here. Alright, so looks like we still have debris in the air. There's one other area of debris it's going away. But we still have one other area of debris that's not calming down. It's going straight for Northfield. I am not sure how populated Northfield is. It's not super populated, but it's pretty populated here. So Northfield, it's going straight for Northfield. Northfield, take your shelter, please. This is a pretty big tornado going on right now. I'm not sure, I'm not confirmed if it's touched the ground yet. I don't know if they updated this. They have not updated it, but this is pretty big tornado. Let me turn it 3D. Northfield, please take your shelters now. But again, tornado warning in effect for Northfield. For Castle Rock, you guys, why don't you go ahead and get everything together and start going in your shelter if you live in Castle Rock, because you guys are going to be next from this. If not, maybe it'll weaken, okay, but I'm telling you now, be prepared to go in your shelter anytime from now on. Get prepared if you live in Castle Rock to go in your shelter. Alright, Northfield, I hope you're in your shelter right at this moment, because it's the hardest hit you're going to be hit for right now. You're in the worst of it. Yeah, let me see if we have any comments. I haven't checked that in a while. Nope, not currently. But again, tornado warning in effect. Let me check on any other things going on. That's not two. Yeah, it's just in this one. Oops. Alright, we have a radar update. Yep, the same thing. It's still in Northfield. Just it's getting me closer. Yeah, we have that debris ball right there. There is debris with this. That means it is a cloud to ground tornado right now in Minnesota. In Northfield. Like right now in Northfield, there's a tornado. I'm pretty sure there's a tornado. I'm not confirmed yet. Yeah, they're talking about it. Yeah. You need to be in the lowest level of your house or in your tornado shelter. Northfield, Minnesota, and about to be Castle Rock. So Castle Rock, be prepared anytime. Let me check This should be a severe thunderstorm warned right here near Apple Valley. That should be severe thunderstorm warned, if not anything. But I don't know why it's not. Again, Northfield in effect with all this tornado activity. So again, tornado warning in effect. This continues until 5:15 p.m. is the tornado. That's like right now, isn't it? They're gonna extend that time. They should extend that time. It says expires 5:15 p.m. All right, radar update. Looks like it's just going to the north of Northfield, the worst of it. All right, so if you live in central Northfield, the tornado may not affect you as much, but you still need to be prepared because these radars aren't always accurate. But looks like the debris ball or the tornado, if it is one, is going straight just a little bit north of Northfield. So northern Northfield. It's kind of hard to say. Northern Northfield. Going into another county here, it looks like. So Castle Rock, you guys are next. I think you should be getting in your shelter. I think it expires like right now is because they're going to issue another one that goes in issues in the Castle Rock area. And, oh, I moved the screen. I forgot it was on my phone. This may go up into Farmington, Lakeville, probably Empire or Farmington. Because let me just do a little track on this. Yeah. So it may go up into this area here. Empire, maybe. This may weaken. Okay, this may weaken. But you guys just be prepared. Oh, the tornado warning went away. Alright, so what that means is it's weakening. Alright, yeah, I could tell. Like, so, this little debris ball, I don't think it's debris anymore, or it's not going to be. I think they should have made it till, like, 5:30, because, okay, I'm not sure if you need to come out of your shelters yet. Probably. Okay, this is like just turning into a very severe thunderstorm warning because the tornado warning expired. So, yeah, this is about to move out of Northfield. So Northfield, I know you're getting hammered by storms right now, but if there was a tornado, it probably went north. Okay. We got a radar update. Yeah. Okay. Okay, I'm gonna say maybe come out of your shelters. I'm not sure. I'm not sure how bad it is. This is a very dangerous situation here. The tornado warning expired, which I don't know why it did. They're probably going to issue another one. Sure. I mean, look at that. That just looks like a hook echo. But I think that's just the way it's shaped, maybe. But that definitely looks like a hook echo. There's no way that's not. I mean, this is a live radar update, isn't it? Yeah. Okay. Let me just... Oh, yeah, okay. Stay in your shelters. Another tornado warning got issued right now. Don't come out. That goes until 5:45 p.m., including Northfield. Okay? Stay in your shelters. Whatever you do. I don't even know if you can watch this because like there's no service in your shelters. But if you're watching this anyway, or if you're in your lowest part of your home, I knew they were gonna issue another one because there was no way that wasn't a hook echo. Okay, tornado warning now issued. I'm about to get the information here. Okay, 5:45 p.m. is when it expires. National Weather Service and the Twin Cities issued tornado warning for southeastern Dakota County and east central Minnesota, northeastern Rice County and south central Minnesota, until 5:45 p.m. A severe thunderstorm capable of producing a tornado was located over Northfield. So that means there is a tornado. It is in Northfield right at this moment. So Northfield, you are not safe from getting a tornado. You guys are in the worst of it right this moment. Do not come out of your shelters whatsoever. You guys are in the worst of it. Okay, we got another radar update. It looks like the hook echoes a little bit. I can't tell because the Northfield's in the way. I can't tell. It won't zoom in any further. But it looks like Castle Rock, you guys are just barely missing it. But I would say go to your safe spot. Because this is just too close to call. just to be sure, Castle Rock, go to your storm shelter. Okay, what was I gonna? Okay, I was reading this. Tornadic thunder will remain a rural area. Okay, so this tornadic thunderstorm will remain mainly over rural areas of southeastern Dakota and northeastern Rice counties. So not a whole lot of people live in Northfield. And probably nobody in Northfield is watching this live stream right now. But I'm still going to cover it in case you have friends or anything there. I'm still going to cover it. Alright. This may be moving and this could come up. This is a pretty long tornado warning. Alright, so Empire. You guys are right on the edge. Just like the updates. Like, the tornado warning didn't get issued. But again, yeah, Northfield, Castle Rock, you need to get to your shelters. Empire, I'm not sure yet, but when I say that, it's probably going to update and you're going to need to get in your shelters. I'm not even sure of Empire. Let me read this. Rural areas. Okay, we got to read our update. Yeah, Empire, you might be wanting to get to your shelters soon. I was going to read that. It just said rural areas, didn't it? Following locations: Vermilion, Hampton, Randolph, and New Trier. Trier, I'm pretty sure. You guys need to be getting to your shelters. Doesn't really say any other details here. But again, this tornado warning is in effect here. So I put this 3D thing. Oh, there's Stillwater, Minnesota. There's Woodbury. Could be seeing any tornado warnings. Again, there's Egan, Stanton, you guys are like just barely missing the tornado warning. You guys aren't actually getting any rain right now, right at this moment. But let me put this 3D again, just to show you. Northfield, still stay in your shelters, stay in your safe spot. You guys aren't out of it yet. All right, Northfield. Currently, you do have a tornado warning in your area. Could be seeing a tornado. Castle Rock. Okay, it's time for you to get to your shelters. Okay, if you live in Castle Rock, please go to your storm shelters right now. If you live in Empire, you might just need to go to your storm shelters, okay? You guys are almost under a tornado warning, okay? I can't even tell here. It's like right on the edge. Like the word Empire is like half of it's in the tornado warning, half of it's not. But we're just going to say you are, because if you're close to a tornado warning, you can't tell if you're in it. You're probably in it, okay? Empire, Castle Rock, Northfield, get to your safe spot because you guys are under a tornado warning, okay? Let me check on anything else that's going on. No, that's the only tornado warning right now. Okay, please get to your tornado shelters because there's a tornado warning. Castle Rock, Northfield, Empire. I keep repeating those cities. Please get to your shelters. Okay, we have an update. Alright, looks like it's moving out of Northfield now. At this moment. I said that last time it wasn't, but it's now looks like it's moving out of Northfield. Stay in your shelters for now until I talk about it and it actually moves out, because it looks like the hook echo's still barely hitting Northfield. But Castle Rock, it's kind of going just to the side of you guys, but I just stay in your shelters just for safety if anything happens, because I don't know, it looks like you guys are getting severe storms, not really any tornadoes currently, but just stay in your shelters in case. Same with Northfield, currently just stay in your shelters. Otherwise, it's really under a rural area. So anybody could live in this rural area, but they probably live in the country. There's no really cities going on. That if they are, they're too small to pop up on here. But again, if you live in near Northfield or near Castle Rock, or if you live in this little triangle here. Let me make this little triangle. All right. If you live in the little triangle of 3 cities here, that's Stanton, that's Northfield, and that's Castle Rock. If you live in between those or in those cities, stay in your shelters. Alright. Also, let me even see if they got an update yet. Nope. That also extends up to Empire. So if you live in Empire, you need to get to your shelters. Alright. Empire, you're almost under tornado warning. I can't even tell. That's why I say almost. But, yeah, you need to get to your shelters. Alright. This is a pretty long tornado warning. Stanton, you're right on the edge, but you're safe. Okay, currently, Stanton, you guys are safe. Cannon Falls, safe. Alright? That may change, but right now, you guys are safe from the tornado. You're extremely close. Alright, that's even almost your county. That is your county. Just barely your county. Okay? Take precautions. You guys are safe right now. Northfield, Castle Rock, continue to take precautions. Empire, take precautions. Alright? You're almost out of it. Almost out of it. Alright, any debris, please let me know. I haven't even checked the comments for a long time. Okay, nobody has commented yet. But again, stay in your shelters. And this is so small that no cities are popping up, but if you live in between even longer, Empire, all the way down to Northfield. From Empire to Castle Rock to Northfield to Stanton, take your shelters. Okay, we have an update. Alright, I'm about to say, let me just double check here. Northfield, you guys are probably out of the tornado by now, if there is one. Northfield, I'm gonna say, it's probably safe that you get out of your shelter and check for any damage. Or it's your safe spot or wherever you are. Northfield, it looks like you're just barely on the edge of it. So, you're out of it. So, if you live in northern Northfield, like near the county line, you might want to stay in just for a few more minutes. But it's probably just severe weather. Even Castle Rock is probably not in it. Alright? Like, this is really rural areas, so not a whole lot of people might be living here. But again, Northfield, if you live near the county line here, you probably want to stay in just for a few more minutes or get out. Because it looks like the tornado is away from that, if there is one. There probably is one. Let me turn this 3D here to show you guys. Castle Rock, that's hard to tell, but I would say maybe stay in. Alright, you should stay in. Empire, yes, stay in your shelters if you live in Empire. Because you guys are probably going to be hit in the next few minutes to 30 minutes to something like that. Probably just like 15 to 30 minutes. Empire, probably less. You're going to be hit by this. And this is a fast-moving storm, so they move fast. If you haven't seen the radar loop, let me just show you. These storms, they move fast this time of year. Alright, I think we have a radar update now. Okay. This is hard to tell. Yeah, Northfield, you can get out of your shelter now. Northfield, safe. You guys are safe from the tornado now. Please check for any damage. If you live in Northfield and you're watching this video right now, please comment in the comments if you have any tornado damage and report it to the National Weather Service if you have any damage and you live in Northfield. Castle Rock, stay in your shelters just for a little bit longer, just to be sure, because I'm not 100% sure it's out of your area completely. Empire, you need to be in your shelters right now. There's still a tornado warning in effect for the city of Northfield. That does not mean the tornado is nearby. There's still a tornado warning in effect for that area. But check out if there's still, strong rain or strong like hail, and stay in your shelter. But it looks like it's probably just light rain now. Alright, if you have any tornado damage, please comment and tell me and report it to the National Weather Service. Castle Rock, again, like I keep mentioning, you need to stay in your shelters. Empire, stay in your shelter. I hope you're in your shelters right now. This storm, moving on just for a second to another topic here. Another storm, near South St. Paul. That's a really populated area. This should be, I don't know why this is not severe warned. This is a very strong area of severe storms right now. I don't know why it's not severe thunderstorm warned. But again, no need to take shelter. Okay, I don't see any hook echo. These are just really strong storms. But just be prepared for strong storms if you live near South St. Paul. Going back to that tornado warning, let me just make sure here. Alright, it's up to date. Let it freeze for a second. There we go. Empire, again, like I keep mentioning, stay in shelters. Northfield, please report any damage to the National Weather Service or comment below, please. I would like to know if there's any tornado damage as you get out of your shelter. I'm hoping there's nothing. Alright? I'm hoping there's nothing in your area. Castle Rock, it's kind of moving out of Castle Rock now. If I could zoom in any further, look, it literally stops me from zooming in any further. Like I'm moving my fingers. Alright, we have an update. Okay, Castle Rock, I'm going to say you're safe. Okay? I may be wrong, but please check your local news station to see if it's safe. because this is not completely updated. Again, please check your local news station. Stream it. They probably have an app. They probably have a website. Stream your live weather coverage to see if you're safe, because it looks like you're still in a tornado warning. But it looks like it's moving out, but it's still, like look at how this is hard to tell here. Like, it looks like there's rain, looks like there's not. But Castle Rock, it's about to be safe. Check in with your local news station, see what they have to say. You're just the one local news station you get. They have to be doing coverage. If they're not, why wouldn't they? But Empire is not safe. I may end the stream soon because it's just going to go into Empire again. I'm going to be saying Empire, it's under you now. And there might be another one. But, what's this? What's this? Severe thunderstorm. Okay, now I want to update you. Okay, I've gone over that tornado warning multiple times. I want to update you about a new severe thunderstorm warning in effect. This includes... This is a long list of a severe thunderstorm warning now. Long list of the severe thunderstorm warning. Okay, let's go over it. North Central Dakota County in East Central Minnesota. Southern Washington County in East Central Minnesota. Southeastern Ramsey County in East Central Minnesota until 6:15 p.m. Central Standard Time. Okay, let me see here. It's just a severe thunderstorm warning. Yeah, tornado watch in effect for that area. South St. Paul, I knew they were going to do that. I was wondering why they weren't going to do that. But then I guess they were planning on making a big severe thunderstorm warning like this. If you can't see, let me outline it. Then I'll get back to the tornado warning, because we got a radar update now. Alright, that's it. I have to quickly go back to the tornado warning, see what's going on. Alright, Castle Rock, Northfield. I think you're officially out. Good news. Alright, for now, I'm not sure if this will be later, but it looks like, from the appearances, that the debris ball has weakened once again. When I say that, it might go back up again, but it looks like the tornado warning is slowly starting to lift off the ground. If there is one, I am not 100% sure. Okay, this is just reflectivity radar here, so I'm not sure if there's a tornado warning. But if it is, you may go out of your shelters and check, but please check in with your local news station. They have the latest up-to-date information. Let me see if you have any comments. Okay, no comments. Okay. I'm probably going to end the stream right now. Let me check. Did I even put a thumbnail? I didn't know if I put a thumbnail. You may go out of your shelters and check, but please check in with your... Okay, I'm probably going to end the stream now, because what this is going to do, though, before I end, it's probably going to go into... Let me zoom this in so I can see it. Empire, you're probably going to be hit. Hastings? Maybe. Okay. All cities, you guys are in a tornado watch. Okay, here's the big view here. That's the big view. But again, I'm probably getting in a stream now. Okay, but be prepared. Alright, here's a severe thunderstorm warning. South St. Paul, Lake Elmo, Stillwater, Minnesota is just barely on the edge. Oak Park Heights also very on the edge. And that goes into the border to Wisconsin. So it looks like Wisconsin, you guys may end this. I think, yeah, you guys are just under, just little bitty counties here in Wisconsin, like extreme western Wisconsin are also under. Okay, we got another radar update. Yeah, okay. Look, good news. It looks like the tornado warning is weakening. The tornado might be weakening. Okay, we ended another not so great news. We have more severe thunderstorms starting to get even more severe. But again, I'm probably going to end the stream now, okay? Expect more severe thunderstorm warnings, more tornado warnings to pop up throughout the night, okay? I'm going to end the stream here, but again, check in with your local news station, watch your radar app. I recommend, it's called Weather Lab or My Radar app. But Weather Lab is a really good app. You can download it. Actually, it's only available for iOS, Apple. So if you have an Android, I don't know why it's not available. I think it's only available for Apple devices. But Weather Lab is it's actually what I'm using right now. It's a great app. My Radar, it's actually also another great app, but the radar doesn't update every single minute like this does. So this is based off radar stations. But My Radar has a great thing, as a great radar as well. I'm going to go ahead and end the stream off here. I hope you guys enjoyed today's video, or actually, should I say stream. Stay safe. There's lots of tornado warnings, like I just mentioned, but stay safe, stay weather aware. See you guys in the next stream or video. Bye. Have a safe evening. If you live in Minnesota, please watch out for the weather, or Wisconsin, but stay safe, stay weather aware. See you next stream or video. Bye. See you later.